Greetings and salutations everyone, and welcome back to another of my videos. My name is Doreen Reed and I make content on things that are educational, cultural and creative. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome, 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 welcome. And of course to all my returning viewers, big up yourself as usual and maximum respect. Before we jump into the video, just give it a thumbs up, and if you've not yet subscribed, just go right ahead and hit the subscribe button. Listen, it's free to subscribe, yes, but of course it's your time. Now, I'm going to get straight into today's video. As you can see from the title, I am going to do a videos where I'm going to look at the flags in the Caribbean and what they represent, what's the meaning of each flag. And so let me just quickly give you the idea. I was really doing some research recently. I was doing the graduation production ceremony here for work, and a part of it was to have a flag ceremony of the different countries that are represented on our campus. And I just started doing some research, pulling up the flags, etc. And somehow I just started doing some readings, and I realized that I did not know the symbols of the different, the symbolism of the different flags across the Caribbean. And so I just thought, you know what? How many other persons would love this bit of information? And so I thought I would share this bit of information with you. So here goes. All right, so the first one is Antigua and Barbuda. The motto for Antigua and Barbuda is each endeavoring, all achieving. Each endeavoring, all achieving. So the flag, what does it mean? And of course, you're going to see me reading. When you see me looking off the screen, I'm actually reading. The 7-point golden sun symbolizes the dawn of a new era. Red represents the lifeblood of slave forebearers and the dynamism of the people. Blue stands for hope, black for the soil and African heritage, and gold, blue, and white reflect Antigua and Barbuda's tourist attractions: the sun, the sea, and the sand. Next one is we're going to look at is the Bahamas. And the motto for Bahamas is forward, upward, onward, together. The flag, what does it mean? The 2 aquamarine stripes represent the surrounding waters. The yellow stripe symbolizes sand and rich land resources, and the black triangle represents the people and their strength. So that's Bahamas. Let's now look at Barbados. The motto for Barbados is pride and industry. So now let us hear what the flag symbolizes. The blue symbolizes the sea and the sky. The gold represents the sandy beaches, and the central trident symbolizes Neptune, the mythical sea god. The shaft of a trident is broken, indicating Barbados' break from its historical and constitutional ties as a former colony. Interesting, eh? Now the fourth one is the Cayman Islands. Now this, I don't know, somehow this kind of caught me off guard, and I don't know why. The motto is what caught me off guard. And the motto for Cayman Islands is, He hath founded it upon the seas. Now, I don't know how many of you know this scripture in the Bible. He has founded it upon the seas and established it upon the floods. And maybe that is why it took me by such a surprise, because I don't know of any island who would have selected that has a scripture as a motto, which I think may speak to the religious nature of the island, possibly. But I was just a little taken aback. And the truth is, I don't know if I have a a solid reason, but that was just my initial reaction when I actually found that and recognized that this was actually the motto of the island. Yes, so let's just now hear what the colors or the symbols on the images on the flag symbolizes. So here goes. The blue and white waves evoke the Caribbean Sea, while the three green stars symbolize the three islands, Grand Cayman, Little Cayman, and Cayman Brac. The yellow lion on the red field signifies Cayman Islands' connection to the Kingdom of England. So that's that for Cayman Islands. All right, so let's now look at the fifth one, St. Kitts and Nevis. And St. Kitts and Nevis' motto is country above self. Country above self. Let's hear what it says. The green represents fertile lands. Red symbolizes the struggle from slavery through colonialism to independence. Yellow denotes year-round sunshine, and black reflects African heritage. Black represents African heritage. The white stars are symbols of hope and liberty. Symbols of hope and liberty. And I find that, I don't know if you're recognizing so far, that the traits that I'm seeing in all of them, the black is a commonality that represents the same kind of ancestry. All right, so let's look at St. Lucia. St. Lucia says, the motto for St. Lucia is the land, the people, the light. The land, the people, the light. So let us hear now what it is that the flag represents. The cerulean blue represents fidelity, reflects the tropical sky and also the emerald surrounding waters. The gold represents the prevailing sunshine in the Caribbean and prosperity. And the black and white stand for cultural influences. The isosceles triangle is reminiscent of the island's famous twin pythons of Sophia, rising sheer out of the sea towards the sky, themselves a symbol of hope and aspirations for the people. Now, I don't know if I've pronounced that word correct. Sophia, please, somebody from St. Lucia who is watching, please just go ahead and put it in the comment section, spell it the way it is pronounced. I know it's French. I tried my best. I've asked my two St. Lucian affiliates to pronounce it for me, and I've been trying to get it, so I do hope I actually got it correct. Let's now look at St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Their motto is peace and justice. Peace and justice. And this is what the flag symbolizes. The green diamond form a V for St. Vincent and signify the plural nature of the many islands that make up the country. The blue represents the sky and the sea. The gold is for the warmth, the bright spirit of the people, and the golden sands of the Grenadines. The green represents the lush vegetation of St. Vincent's agriculture and the enduring vitality of the people. So now we are going to look at Suriname. Yes, Suriname. And their motto is justice, piety, and fidelity. Now the truth is, it is in Latin, and honestly, I can't pronounce it. Justitia pietas fides, and I may be pronouncing it incorrect. So those persons in the who are watching, please, what is the correct pronunciation of this? Yes, but in English it is justice, piety, and fidelity. So now let us look at what it is that the colors of the flag symbolizes along with the images. The red color stands for progress and love. The green color symbolizes hope and fertility. The white color signifies peace, justice, and freedom. The star represents the unity of all ethnic groups. The yellow light of the star inspires the nation to draw strength, to bear sacrifices patiently while working towards a golden future. Now we are going to look at the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago. And the motto for Trinidad and Tobago is together we aspire, together we achieve. Together we aspire, together we achieve. So now let us look at what it is that the flag symbolizes. The black represents the dedication of the people joined together by one strong bond. It is the color of strength, of unity of purpose, and of wealth of the land. The red represents the vitality of the land and its people, the warmth and energy of the sun, and the courage and friendliness. White represents the sea by which these lands are bound. It also signifies the cradle of our heritage, the purity of aspirations, and the equality of all men under the sun. Yes? And of course, we are going to close out with Jamaica. And we all know our motto is out of many, one people. Out of many, one people. And we all know that Jamaica is the heartbeat of the world, eh? So let us see the symbolism of the colors of the flags. The sun shineth, the land is green, and the people are strong and creative. And the symbolism of the colors of the flag means the black depicts strength and creativity of the people, gold, the natural wealth and beauty of sunlight, and green represents hope and agricultural resources. All right, so there you have it. Some of the flags of the Caribbean along with their motto, and of course what the colors and the different images on their flags represent. Now, did you see your country? Now let me know which of the country you're from. If you saw your country in this just now, go ahead and put the comment in the comment section. And please, I'm not done. I'm going to do another one where I'm going to do some other countries. I make sure I'm making a promise that I'm going to do all the countries within the English speaking Caribbean. So this is just the first of in that series of videos. So look out for the others as they are coming. So if anybody was watching and you're from any of those Caribbean islands, of course, just drop something in the comment section. Now the information in this video, I took this information from some of the different government websites on the internet. So for the different countries, I would have gone on the official government websites where I could get more accurate information. So at least I'm certain that the information I'm getting is correct. Now, if you're from any of these islands and you believe the information presented here has any form of inaccuracy, please go ahead and put it in the comment section as well. So we stand open to correction because we want to ensure that we are preserving the integrity of the channel. I want to preserve the integrity of the information that I'm putting out there, because the same way I have just learned about some of these things, other persons out there would also want to learn about these things. So stay tuned until I make the other videos. Now, if you're watching from another Caribbean and you'd like your country to be represented in the second video that I'm going to do, also go ahead and put it in the comment section to say rep my country in the second video. And of course, you're going to put what your country is. So rep dash whatever that country is in the second part of the video. All right, until I make another video, go right ahead, hit the subscribe button, share it with somebody, comment, and of course like. Stay tuned and walk good.